Ever felt lonely on a rainy day? Imagine a tiny mole sitting all alone at a bus stop, soaked and sad. Suddenly, a friendly fox with a big umbrella walks by. The fox notices the mole and sits quietly beside him. They don't say a word, but the fox hands the mole a tissue. The mole smiles softly, feeling cared for. The rain still falls, but now they share a quiet moment of kindness. Sometimes words aren't needed to show you care. A simple tissue, a gentle smile, and a kind heart can make a big change. Can you think of someone who needs a little kindness today? Remember, small acts can make rainy days brighter for others. And just like the mole and the fox, kindness always finds a way to shine through, even on the rainiest days.